Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 isn't working properly and sounds dodgy, it is likely experiencing a motor issue. This can occur due to wear and tear, or foreign objects obstructing the motor's function. If left unaddressed, this problem could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To carry out this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, and a replacement motor specific to the Thermomix TM5. Start by ensuring the device is unplugged to prevent any electrical hazards. Carefully turn the Thermomix upside down and locate the screws securing the base. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base off the device to expose the internal components. The motor can be found near the center of the base. Check for any visible signs of damage or obstruction. To extract the motor, disconnect the cables attached to it by gently pulling them away from the connectors. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components while doing this. After the cables are removed, unscrew the motor from its housing using the screwdriver. It may require a bit of force, but be careful not to strip the screws. Once the motor is free, take your new replacement motor and install it by reversing these steps. Secure the motor in place with the screws and reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After the motor is replaced, carefully place the base back onto the device and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before plugging it back in, double-check all connections and ensure nothing is loose. Plug in your Thermomix TM5 and turn it on to verify that it is functioning properly. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean your Thermomix to avoid any foreign objects entering the motor area. Also, consider avoiding overloading the device beyond its capacity, as this can strain the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.